hello. Hello, hello. Welcome to Sunday Charts. It's actually fucking Saturday, boys. But you know what? Pack a lip if you got 'em. Sorry for being absent the last couple weeks. Life got busy. Things got in the way. Markets got crazy. We hit that 64 area that I was talking about, and we rejected. And I'm going to go over the heat maps. I'm going to take it back to a very basic level for today. And just try and see through the eyes of, like retail at this point. We've sold off, and let me throw this lip in, fellas. All right, we're going to go over the heat maps, and we're going to go over a basic level, we're going to go over a high level, but we're going to go over the high level first, right? So basically, this is what we're looking at the moment from the weekly. So we had an area around that 50, I think it was like 57.6, yeah, up in this area. And it goes over like the TPO, right? So we have a TPO forming of like 3 days of chop, right? And it can't break above it, can't break above the magic lines. So what do? We flush. We have this massive flush here. And I think we can go down to 47 area, okay, as lows, but let's just go over BTC from just like a new perspective, right? Can I do TPO here? Do I have any indicators? I'm not signed in. Is TPO only like a... You gotta pay for TPO. You gotta pay for code. Love it. Anyways. We're on a daily time frame. So let's just draw some lines. Fresh chart. Let's draw some lines. Everyone's screaming bearish, Everyone's screaming bears. But dude, right now I'm thinking, hey, what's the opportunity for time? What does opportunity cost? That's what I'm thinking. So we're looking at like the daily time frame. This was a wick demand area, and it looks like it's trying to do it again. I'm just drawing lines to cope. Right? So the weekend chart doesn't really matter because you're gonna have inefficiencies. I think we closed I don't know where we closed. I don't know if we dumped aftermarket or what happened. Technical indicators are saying sell. But I mean, so we recharge that. So these are some areas to watch. I mean, if you look out, you zoom out, look on a daily time frame, it doesn't look terrible place to punt. I mean, we got that 64 reject, so we got that higher low, but I mean, this just looks like to me like a massive sideways range at the moment. Until proven otherwise, Until proven otherwise. So we can go to a weekly time frame. Weekly's not looking great, but, I mean, maybe another week or two. I mean, September's not great for markets. We have these yearly kind of price cycles as we reposition for Q4. And it's just Q3 profit taking if you really think about it. I know we have rate hikes and all that, and I'm not going to get into any of that. But we'll look at other things like the S&P. Traditional markets taking profits. The dollar not looking too strong here. So what are people going to flock into to protect their assets? Are they just going to go into cash, or are they going to go into commodities? I mean, everything's selling off right now. So I don't think it's just applicable to cryptocurrencies and it's just financial markets in general during September. So there's no reason to really fret. So we got Ethereum just absolutely slaughtered. Oh, sweet. Free trials up. You guys don't pay me for anything, so I don't really care. BTC 1. Let's go to CME futures. Let's go to the 15 minute. So yeah, 52 close. We're around 53 at the moment. So now we have a weekend gap, right? So gaps get filled, as we saw up here. Gaps definitely get filled. So imagine that this gap also gets filled. So let's go to the week. Let's go to the monthly. I mean, it just seems like 40s might be the place to, in this area, like, it just might be the place to long. So just got to survive the month. I know I haven't been around, but I called that 65 hit, and we got it, and yeah, life got busy. But you know what? I'm optimistic for my future. I'm optimistic to trade correctly, so I can go over some other heat maps while we're here. I'm not going to go over the charts and bore you. Yeah, PopCat, you know, they timed their futures listings really good on this one. I don't see like 20 cents getting tagged again. You know, there's just too much money that can get like pumped into this for that to really get hit. And I imagine that the listings and the inventory for these futures markets listings were acquired on that last dump. So, you know, I imagine these kind of just hold above maybe like 35, 40. Interesting thing to develop. You know, I like coins that time things right, and people's interests. You know, meme coins are obviously taking the lead this cycle, so dumb shit's gonna pump. So, I mean, that's something I'm just personally gonna be trading. Solana absolutely getting destroyed. I think we could see 110 this week, between 110 139. So that's my call for the week. You know, just based on liquidity levels right here. Yeah, we'll see what that goes into tax. Jupe, another good coin. Pretty empty book. That's going to do what it does. It's an exchange. 50 cents, I think, is probably the low for that. I want to trade it back on up to $1, so I'm looking at shopping that. Jito, honestly, just mega coin. I love this one. Yeah, 223 God sign. Let's mark it as the high for that. I would like to see a $2 reclaim on this next couple weeks. We'll be watching that frequently. Ethereum absolutely getting wrecked. So 2K to hold, 230 I imagine. I think I've been watching a little this weekend. We'll go to ETH real quick. Yeah. So same thing, man. You know, you want to see. You want to see. What do you want to see? I think you want to see these levels hold. I think you want to see 2K hold. Yeah. So you know, taking what I've learned from my heat maps and just from some basic market structure. Pretty low volume. No. Let's go to the daily. Just again, another big range. So if you can long the range lows, I think you're going to be sitting pretty, man. I think you're going to be sitting pretty if we get a turnaround. You know, market sell-offs happen. I mean, you've endured most of it, no? I know this last little bit's been rough. It's been rough, no? But, I mean, did we really expect to break out before the presidential election with the administration that's been in charge? No. I mean, they've been... So, I mean, are they really taking care of financial markets? Are they really inducing spending? Are they really inducing faith in the U.S.? No. I mean, they've been giving money away. They've been doing a terrible job on the economic side. You can't give money away to people that don't produce. Not to get political, you know. I was in the middle, but you know they pushed me to the right. So, I mean, used to be a libertarian when I was younger, but not to get off on a tangent. But I mean, do the Democrats really do a good job? No. So I think you got to wait for this back half, middle half, Q4. for things to really take hold. Wait for some debates to get going. And you just got to be patient, stay alive, and I wish you the best of luck on your trades. And yeah, that's about it. Go check out Flowmatic. Give the boys a shout out. I think Ace is doing a call with. Let's go to Ace. I know Ace is doing a call. Let's see if he has it pinned. I know he was saying he was doing a Meteora. Yeah, here we go. So if you're interested in our DLMM product, please go check it out. Join the Discord. And we're opening up spots for the open beta. And you're going to want to be offering liquidity if you're a smart cookie this cycle. So definitely come check us out. Go check out this stream this Monday. And yeah, cheers, guys. Hope you have a good week. Catch you later.